Evaluation Lizard has a feature no other evaluation system has. It's called synthetic controls. It can make your evaluation much more meaningful. Evaluation Lizard collects student survey data from hundreds of prevention providers. We have found a way to use the data from previously completed projects. This can help you make better sense of your own evaluation results. The only restriction for you to use synthetic controls is that students must have completed both pre-test and post-test surveys, and surveys must have been processed into Evaluation Lizard. There are no extra fees for getting a synthetic control report. Let me show you how this works. From your Evaluation Lizard homepage, select Survey Reports, then on the Survey Analysis main page, select Synthetic Controls. There are several easy steps to follow in order to get your synthetic control report. First, select Classes. Click on the classes you want to include in your report, then press the Add button. Once you are satisfied, click Next to continue. Now, just a brief explanation. To make the synthetic control method work, we used mathematics introduced by Euclid. He figured out how to calculate the distance between 2 points using a variation of the Pythagorean theorem. We use his method to calculate how similar your pretest values are to all other Evaluation Lizard classes. We call the measure of similarity proximity. Evaluation Lizard checks the surveys you used in your evaluation to see what measures were included. By default, all measures included in your survey are selected. If you want to exclude some measures for calculating proximity, unclick them. In the example seen here, past month inhalant and smokeless tobacco use will not be used to calculate proximity. When you click Next, please be patient. Evaluation Lizard is searching through the entire database to see how many other projects have used these measures. The Configure Proximity Values page allows you to select how similar you want comparison classes to be. You can adjust how similar you want age, gender, and ethnicity to be, how similar you want pretest mediating variables to be, and how similar you want pretest behaviors to be. To start, all proximity values are set to 0.2. If you want comparison classes to be more similar to yours, move sliders to the left. If you want to include increasingly dissimilar classes, move sliders to the right. You can type numbers in the boxes instead of using the sliders. Once you adjust sliders, click on the button that says Calculate Number of Classes. You will see the number of classes that will be included in the analysis. Notice that we do not recommend including more than 20 comparison classes. It is best to have fewer classes that are highly similar to your class rather than a lot of classes that may be dissimilar. Clicking Next will set Evaluation Lizard in motion to produce a report for you. It may take a few minutes, but eventually you will see a web page that will provide a confirmation that a report has been created. The link to the report will be provided in an email that will be sent to you. If you don't see your email promptly, make sure you have whitelisted Evaluation Lizard at tanglewoodresearch.com and check your spam folder. It has never been easier to make sense of evaluation data. We are here to help if you need us.